Welcome to GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail, southwestern Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-around video on the 2017 BMW X5 xDrive35i. This beautiful BMW is powered by the 3-liter inline-6 turbocharged engine and made it up to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Once inside the BMW X5, we do have the power windows, power folding mirrors, and power locks. Power tailgate buttons there as well. Automatic headlights with fog lamps. We do have the leather-wrapped steering wheel, which the paddle shifter is on the reverse side there as well. Vehicle does have 127,952 kilometers on it. We have the large touchscreen up top there as well with the signature BMW. Navigation, communication, media and radio controls, as well as you can go through the information of your vehicle. Dual zone climate control here. Lots of features. Cup holders. Vehicle does have parking sensors front and rear as well. We do have the black leather interior. We have those beautiful BMW leather heated seats as well. Taking a look at the exterior of the BMW X5, we do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package. This is the M Sport trim level upgrade here. So we do have those 315 35-20-inch tires on the rear, very large rear tires. Looking at the front, again the 20s with the M on the rims, very sporty looking. Keyless entry as well as lane keep assist is equipped on the vehicle. Rear tinted privacy windows, those beautiful LED BMW tail lamps, and the dual exhaust tips coming out of the rear. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the 2017 BMW X5. If this is your next all-wheel drive luxury vehicle, come and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.